Today we're going to replace the speaker on the passenger side 2007 Chevy Avalanche. I already did the driver side and driver rear passenger. Now I'm going to do the passenger side. Alright, simply what we're going to do is remove this little cover from here. Go ahead and use a trim tool removal to remove that from there. We're going to remove this one from down here. Probably going to need both hands to do this one here. Alright, there it is. That exposes this bolt and the two 10mm bolts that are down there. We're also going to remove this from here. Just pinch in. Might need both hands. Yeah, I'm going to need both hands for this. Alright, and there it is. Just go ahead and set that to the side. Let's grab our drill or our 10mm. Go ahead and undo that from there. Set that to the side. Let's undo it from here. Just be careful. Set that to the side. This one from here as well. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and remove the door panel. Go ahead and just try to break it loose. Once you break it loose, you're able to pull it out. Alright, and there it is. Let's go ahead and do this one from here. I just tried to get behind it and try to get right where the clip is at, because it is plastic and these usually break. Then we're able to lift the door up. Probably gonna need both hands for this one. And go ahead and unlatch it from here. And that's from the back here. Once you have that done, just go ahead and swing the door nice and over, just like so. You see, I didn't break that one. That was already broken. Now we're gonna use a 7mm to remove the speaker from here. Go ahead and turn this off. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this to get that off. Once you remove that screw from there, go ahead and use the trim tool removal and apply a little bit of pressure here and pull out. Just a little clip holding it in, and then pull up. Okay, we're gonna use the same trim tool removal to remove this from here. I'm gonna need both hands, and then use this to push this in here and pull that pigtail out. Alright, and there it is. Everything is loose, and here's the bad speaker. So let's go ahead and come over here and modify it. Let's go ahead and pull this off for now. I am using a Dremel tool to cut all these here. Turn this on. Alright, after you break it loose, it should come right off. There it is. And then what I like to do is cut them all. I like to flip it like this, you can see it better, and just cut all those little flaps off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, there it is. There's all the little flaps. Everything is good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm also going to trim this lip here, so it'll be a nice flat surface. So I'm going to just hold it like that and just cut it, turning it and cut it. Alright, and there it is. There's the ring. Here's the little flaps. Go ahead and just rub this off. Now we have a semi-smooth surface or flat surface, but it's flat enough to grab the speaker. This is the top side, this is the bottom side, so we're going to make sure that this is on the bottom side, just like so. Perfect. They did provide some screws, so we're going to go ahead and put 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to wire it up with the wire that they attached, and we're going to hook everything up with a butt connector. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this down. Go ahead and put these screws in. Alright, and there's our speaker. Nice and modified, nice and modded. Now let's go ahead and bring it over and do the wiring. Gotta peel these wires back, cut these and peel them back. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, there I have the butt connectors on there, so I'm going to go ahead and prong them over to the other side and we'll test it out, make sure it's working correctly. Alright, so there it is, nice and crimped, and it's working good. So let's go ahead and insert that right into there. Alright, perfect, and we'll put in the 7mm screw that goes right in here, right under there. Alright, let's go ahead and secure this down. Perfect. Now we're ready to put our door back into place. Alright, and there it is. So let's go ahead and put everything back together. Let's go ahead and make sure the locking mechanism is all the way up. Then put this down, secure it into place. Perfect. Then we're going to grab the 3 10mm bolts and put them all into place here. Whoop. And the 2 down here. Alright, and once you have those nice and secure, just go ahead and put these little trim pieces back into place. And this one right here. And you're set. And that is how you replace the speaker on this 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Just give it a try.
If we went ahead and got married
Sweet.
this year.
I don't have music because I don't want to get monetized. But
a second.
there, that's all the music you get. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.